What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Angele Altieri and welcome to the video. So today I did another installment episode of my color series for this year. It's September. So yeah, here is my color series look. Most of my eyeshadow is used with the Most of my eyeshadow is used with the X Rawbeautykristi palette. So if you're interested in another little tutorial using this palette, this is that. I mostly tell you my eyeshadow, blush, highlight, and lips. I link all the products I use down below. Also, don't forget to check out my website, jellyaltieri.com. I'll have a link down below. I have very few Jelly's treasure boxes left. If you don't know what that is, I have a link up here to what Jelly's treasure boxes are, my reveal video, and I'll have a link to them down below. Very few quantity left, so be sure to check it out if you're interested in that. Without further ado, you know the deal, you know the drill, you know the vibes. Let's get it. Okay, so I have on all of my base, primer, concealer, foundation. I'll have all of the products I used listed down below. So I'm going to use some blush right now. I'm going to clean my blush brush a little bit. I don't have anything very red. I may or may not go in with the shadow. May or may not. So I'm kind of nervous. Right now I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Chocolate Cherry Truffle, and I'm going to use this shade. It's not red, but it's very pinky tone red. I will say I didn't set my entire face. So that went on a, that's my mess. That was my bronzer brush. It's going on quite pigmented, huh? There. So I'm gonna lightly tap into that now. What do you guys think? Quite pigmented, huh? It's pulling pretty red tone, don't you think? Next, highlight. I don't have a red highlight, and I didn't want to use a red highlight. Just wanted something a little bit more wearable for this red monochrome look. Using the Makeup Revolution SophX palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. This doesn't have a mirror. Going to use a little bit of this very white shade, just like the highest points. To finish the skin, I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, the peach. I'm trying to finish this up. I'll put a new one. Okay, so now we're going into the eyes. I'm actually, let's see if I can get this box open. These nails. I'm going in with the X Rawbeautykristi palette. Going in with going in with the colorful side first. Going into Flavor Town, which is the red. Oh, and I just put some P.Louise base on. So let me make sure there's no creasing here. Cool. So I'm packing this shade on, trying not to get it onto my inner corner. And I'm going carefully because I already did my base. So I don't want any fallout. There is no big deal really, but I try to prevent that. I'm going to try and create shape with this. Also go pack this on my lower lash line. It's a very rough shape. Now I'm gonna go, oh, what brush was that? This is the Beige Cosmetics Rose Gold number 8. Take the same flavor tone shade with the Morphe JH33. So I could try and start blending this out. It's pulling quite like burgundy. Gonna go in with, what am I gonna go in with? I'll go into, am I orange? Am I orange or not? No. It's a pretty big brush. Hoping this orange helps pull the look to be more red and like burgundy. I'm gonna go in with the other side into It Just Does, which is a peach. Let's see. You see now that's turning a little more red with my finger. You see that's a lot more red. That's what I've wanted. It's a bitty bitty red. I'm gonna go in with my Whole Heart from the neutral side. Going back in with Am I Orange? I'm going into this NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, the Phoenix, pretty sure. The Phoenix. And I'm gonna go into this shimmer down here to my inner, there's no mirror and I'm just like, okay. Okay, I'm taking my brushes. For blending, I was using a gaseous tapered blending brush. Yeah. I'm using a Luxie 245. I'm gonna take this a little bit to the inner corner of my lid. Also going to take from the Rawbeautykristi palette, Cafe Disco, right on the inner corner. And on the brow bone. Going to take a clean brush. This is a BH Cosmetics number 6. Whatever packaging this is. I'm gonna take my setting powder, my Charlotte Tilbury. Try to stamp to clean up my shape. Okay, so what I just did right here is use the Bare Minerals powder concealer in Summer Bisque with a BH Cosmetics number 6 in this color, just to shape my shadow a little bit more and like bake it, you know. So I'm gonna do shadow on this eye and then come back probably with lashes on. Okay, I'm gonna, I did mascara and tight line with black eyeliner. My eyes look so chocolate right now. See, I did that. Eyeliner, mascara, I put on Flutter Lashes and Royalty, and my box is now destroyed. Now we'll do lip liner. I only have one red lip liner, so I'm going in with Kylie Red Velvet. 7 minutes to do lip liner. Finish it off, going in with Kylie Red Velvet lipstick. Okay, everyone, I'm sweating. That's the end of this video. That's the end of this look. I know it's kind of simple, but you know, when I was looking for inspo, because for most of my looks I look for inspiration, things to pull from, and in some instances I actually recreated looks or a look. But for red, there was like nothing. Any red looks I saw were mostly like this, pretty matte. Barely any shimmer on the eyes. Like, I had to really dig to find looks, but I kind of just went with this instead. It's not necessarily something I saw and recreated. And when thinking of shadows to use, there aren't very many red, pure red shadows. Like, I want a nice blue based red, but a lot of shimmers pulled very burgundy, more towards the purple side, or very pinky. I did see online JCat Beauty had a shimmer, but I was like, I couldn't really find a good place to buy it. They have it on Amazon, but it's not, you know, Prime. If it's not Prime, I don't really trust it. So I skipped on that and decided to just do this look right here, and I feel like the shadows are pulling more burgundy right now. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But overall, I'm kind of happy with this look. I did kind of double stack my lashes since I cut the ends off, and then the ends I placed right at the end, or the outer corner. I like it. The red is making my eyes look very chocolatey. Very, very chocolate. I'm sweating, so like some of my makeup is starting to break up. But I'm not mad at this look. I really like this look, actually. Would I do it again? I don't know. Maybe not with the red lip. But I do like it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts for what I should do next month for my color series. It is October. It's October next month, so it's spooky season. Let me know what you want to see. For me, I have a color in mind, which might be a very obvious color. If you like this video, hit the like button down below, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification for Feeling Froggy. I post every Thursday and Sunday. If you like me and you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends. Instagram, Twitter, and link all my socials down below. I'll link my website down below to my treasure boxes, which very few still available, very few. So get your hands on those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.